Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to trim a video in CapCut Mobile. This is a CapCut feature, so you don't need to worry about whether this method will work on iOS and Android. So just follow my steps. If you are unable to download CapCut on your device, there is a video on this channel on how to download CapCut on your device. You can definitely check out. Before starting the video, please make sure your CapCut is updated. Now open the CapCut app on your phone. Tap on the edit option to edit a video project. Select the video from your gallery that you would like to edit. Now tap on add. Here is a video in CapCut. To trim this video, simply adjust the bar from where you would like to cut the video. Now tap on edit and tap on the split icon to make a cut from here. Now drag the white bar and position it where you would like to end the cut. For me, let's trim this portion of the video. Now again tap on the split icon from the bottom menu. To delete this middle section, simply tap on this area and tap on the delete icon. Here it is. We just removed the unwanted part from our video using CapCut. Thank you for watching.